What's up, Bride Parody? And today I'm in the kitchen because, in all honesty, this is where the real work takes place. You know, the gym is important and I work out a lot, but that's a small portion of what keeps me on track. The gym is the easy part because it's 45 minutes to an hour a day. I'm done with it. I don't have to think about it anymore, and I move on with the day, right? Whereas food, how often a day do you eat or are tempted by snacks or have food shoved in your face? Like, food is everywhere. It's all encompassing. And so until we get our food right, we can work out all day long, but we're not really going to see many results. And I didn't understand this when I started. I did exactly what I'm telling you not to do. I only lifted and just went hard, and I ate the same way I always did. I ate crap from processed foods, like down sodas like no tomorrow. I loved Little Debbie snacks. I'd sit down and eat like an entire half-gallon of ice cream at once. I ate a lot of food, don't get me wrong. It's not like I didn't, but I was super skinny. I was eating all this food and I was working out and nothing changed for me. I didn't gain muscle. I didn't gain mass. Why? Because I didn't understand the food portion. I didn't understand how important it was. I didn't understand the concept of how nutrition plays way more of a larger role than exercise and your gym workout ever could. And so I want to encourage you, if you've never taken a closer look at food, you need to. Believe me, you need to. And the first thing I recommend you doing that will open your eyes, because I know it did mine, is download an app. The Fitbit app, MyFitnessPal, any of those will work, and start tracking your food. Just start tracking it. You're going to be shocked at what's in food, because as you look in the ingredients and see what's in it and see how it's made up and how much protein and how much sugars and fat is in things like that you wouldn't ever have even guessed, because I'm telling you, your mind will be blown if you've never looked at it. And that's going to be your starting point, is once you start getting that food on point. Now, I'm going to say that food prep is probably the biggest advantage that I know of to stay on track with your food, because when you food prep, you're not leaving yourself open to succumbing to going through a drive-through or eating some crap in the break room at work or whatever it is. Now, don't get me wrong. I love a good cheat meal. I have cheat meals. I'm not saying you can never do that. But what I am saying is, how often do you intend well to eat good throughout the week and life gets in the way? Stuff's busy. Your kids have something that comes up that you didn't think about. You have some assignment that's due, some project at work, and you're running late and you end up swinging through fast food, picking up some food on the way home, or like ordering in, and before you know it, the whole week you've been doing that and your diet's just gone to hell. And it's easy to fall into that. And so that's why meal prep and food prep is so important, because when you lay it all out ahead of time, you don't have to worry about that. You have your stuff taken with you to work. You have your dinners ready for when you get home. So you don't have to think about it. You don't have to be like, crap, what in the hell am I going to do for dinner tonight? Guess what? It's already in the fridge. You just got to pop it in the oven, the microwave, and you're good to go, right? So if you've never thought about this stuff, you've got to start digging deep with your food if you really want to see true results. Later this week, I'm going to be showing some tips about how to make sure you're staying on track with your food prep and some hacks for it. So stay tuned for that video. Hit the subscribe button below so that you don't miss that video. And again, remember, whatever you're telling yourself or somebody's told you, you can accomplish these goals. I don't care how many times you've failed in the past, you can accomplish it. You've got this.